Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on HBO Max step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First thing first, open the HBO Max app on your device. Tap on your profile icon. Once you're in, look for the settings menu. Now that you're in the settings, it's time to find the language preference section. Scroll down or navigate through the menu option until you see display language or a similar option. Click on it to reveal the available language choices. HBO Max typically provides a list of language for you to choose from. Find your preferred language in the list and click or tap on it to select this. It will change the language settings for the app's interface. Once you have selected your desired language, make sure to confirm your change. There might be an OK or confirm button. Tap on it to apply the new language settings. Navigate through the app to ensure that the language has indeed changed. Explore different sections and you will notice the interface and menus now appear in your chosen language. And there you have it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.